we're going to show you how to fix this. You see this? You see this white? See all that? It's peeling up off of this paint job, okay? Now I see people all the time taking their 1K stuff and wiping it, you know, and it looks great and it's beautiful, and they do it fast and they don't show what there actually looks like under here. It's just shiny, but the paint's still dead. This paint, this clear, is dying for a reason. It's coming off for a reason. The way to fix this is through 80 grit sandpaper. Now, you can do it one of two ways. You can take a buffer or stripper, put 80 grit on it, and grind it all off. That's a fast way of doing it. I don't want to do that unless it's absolutely necessary. We've got 80 grit. You've got a DA. This is typical of the DIY guy of what they got at home. Yes, you can do this with 400 grit, but you're going to be sanding on it approximately 2, maybe 3 hours. When you can take 80 grit that you're going to have to prime it anyway and remove it a lot faster. As you can see, you got chips here. It's all chippied up. Mr. Wood Chipper came along and went chip, 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 chip.
Let's see. A says, very interesting. It's a sander. Am I right?
Yeah, this is a disc orbital sander. It spins in multiple directions at the same time. It'll go this way, it'll go that way, it'll go this way, it'll go that way. It's not a grinder. So I'll take a spot to see how many times it's been painted. There are a few cars that you'll find 2 or 3, maybe even sometimes 5 paint jobs on, okay? So I'll sand down the bare metal to find out how many paint jobs I actually have on this thing. On this hood, there's only one. There's clear, there's base, there's primer, and then there's edge primer from the factory. So that makes life easier. I use the DA so that it doesn't dig a hole, and as I'm sanding down I can count the layers, but it also doesn't leave an asshole effect when you go to prime it or do whatever and you see that later on in the paint job. Are there any questions? We're trying to do the YouTube channel a little differently because people are asking, how do you do, why do you do, this is what. So we're showing. Never sand in like different areas, okay? Stay in one spot until you're finished, okay? You hear the special operators talk about it all the time. Your 2-foot area. Stay in your 1-foot area until you're done. As you move on, you'll expand your area a little bit, but this down here will be done. So
helps you not miss spots.
Right, it helps you so that you don't miss shit. Okay. So now you're probably questioning, hey John, that stuff is feather edging back. Why do you need to still strip it? Because it's done some bad no-no things right around this little area right here. Just because you sand it back and it looks good this way doesn't mean that this still isn't lifting up from underneath of it. It's still got to go bye-bye. You've got to make it go away. you have two overlaying spots like this, okay? This is the middle area. This will create what they call a high spot. Now, the other questions you're going to see or ask, do I have to take it down to bare metal? If it's not patching, where you're sanding in the base coat, and the base coat kind of patches, and if you saw the video with the Del Sol, if you haven't seen that one, go look at it. I show you where it's patching, which means that as the DA is sanding, it doesn't feather things back. It lifts it up. It tears it like you tear a piece of clothing. This is not patching, so you just need to remove the clear. Now you're going to get base coat removed anyway because it's very, very thin. The coat is very thin. You don't need it to be thick. Questions?